Hey everybody, if you're looking to fix your headlights on your Chrysler 300, I'm gonna show you how to fix your headlight bulbs. The first thing that you have to do is get you some new headlights. These are gonna be your replacers in your left and right headlight at the front. These are the headlights that I got, the 9005, and these are what I'm gonna replace them with. On the passenger side, if you see this mirror right here, there's going to be a knob. I just took this off right now. This is what it looks like. This is the cover, and it goes right here. So directly from your headlight to right here. Which your headlight controls the high beams and the low beams. So what I pretty much did to take this loose, I twisted it over to the left like this. You can see where it can twist in and twist out. You're gonna pop this out, boom. Now I am going to dig my hand in here and I am going to be unplugging the light that's ahead. I'm looking in here and there is a light in here that I am going to unplug. Whenever you take it out, this is what it looks like ahead. This is better because it just twists and turns. You just twist it in and twist it out. Now you're gonna pull your headlight out like so. And I just pulled mine out right now. Really simple, really simple. There's a lever back button that's going to clip on to right here. A lever right here is going to click on to right there. You're just going to pop the new one in like so. Now if you want to put some bulb grease on it, I will put the bulb grease on the insides of this right here. And that's the connection to keep it filled. Do not ever touch the light. Try to keep the light dirty from fingerprints and dust. Just like so, I'll put a little bit in there and I'm gonna attach it right now. When you hear that click, that's how you know that it's now attached back to the circuit. So the same way that you take it out is the same way that you put it in. So I just went from the bottom to the top and put it back in. Make sure that it is not loose. You can pull it upwards towards you, and that'll make it fit right in. As you can see right now, the headlight is on compared to the headlight being off. Headlight off, headlight on. Now remember to put the cap back on. To put the cap back on, you're just gonna reach back here, line it in with the hole, and just snap it back in. Now for the driver's side, you will need to take this bolt off using an 8mm bolt. Get access to the light right here because it's non-touchable on this side. So I'll be taking that off now. So I'm twisting this bolt off right now. You can see it coming off. Now this one bolt holds the air filter. I should be able to just lift it all up. All right, so just like that, it literally pushes the whole thing up so it can give you access to this side right over here to access this right here. Now this is your headlight cover right here. This is where the air filter goes. And you just lift it all up. Now that the top's off, I can reach back here, disconnect the light by pulling that lever, put bulb grease into the light, place and secure the light back into the fixture, tighten the cover back on, place the filter back right here, get your bulb, tighten it back on. That is how you do a headlight replacement on the Chrysler 300.